What's up guys, Tao here. Today let's talk about this 3.5 years old iPhone 6 and there's a story to it why I have this iPhone 6 and I will be running Geekbench on this phone to see how it compared to other phones, particularly iPhone 6 I guess. And also I will open 1 or 2 games just to see how this phone respond to the game, and also I will do some just general usage to see how smooth the interface is. Right now it's on the 11.2.6, which is the current system, and also I will just open a lot of apps just to see how this phone respond to a lot of apps. Not everyone close the apps after the use, so including me. If you have the iPhone 6 and you want to know if you want to update to the 11.2.6, carry on watching. If you haven't got iPhone 6 or other iPhones, keep watching as well. Just give you an idea, how 3.5 years old iPhone perform in 2018. Alright, just a little bit of background information regarding why I have this iPhone 6. For those of you who watched my video, you probably recognize I had a iPhone 8 Plus. I bought that on the launch day. But a few weeks ago, I went back to China for the Chinese New Year. I gave the phone, the iPhone 8 Plus, to my dad because this phone had water damage to it. So, and also he dropped quite a few times. The screen has been replaced. Battery has been replaced. He also took this phone into a hot bath, therefore the water damage. Now speaker doesn't work, so I told him, you know what, just take my iPhone 8 Plus, I will take this back. And also, just on this note, you guys probably know you can't really use Facebook, you can't use Google, anything Google in China. But I was very surprised because I've been using a VPN even here, so I just tried my luck just to see if it works. Guess what? It actually worked. The VPN here, you can see it. It's called Ivory, so that's the one. It worked in China. In the Geekbench score, I was kind of surprised. The performance or the scoring of this phone actually slightly above average without the iPhone 6. But it's significantly lower than the iPhone 8 Plus, 8 and the 10, of course, as expected. I think maybe the average score slightly higher than the other iPhone 6, maybe because the replacement of the battery. As you guys probably know, there was a huge deal regarding on Apple slow down their phones after certain years. iPhone 6 been 3.5 years old already, so if you have an old battery has not been replaced, so you are likely to have a slightly lower performance. Yeah, that's my guess. So hence the scoring is slightly higher on this particular iPhone 6. The battery life on this phone, in my opinion, holds really well. Again, that probably is due to the battery replacement. Will last me solid a single day, sometimes slightly over. Just checking emails, opening apps, yeah, just moderate use without playing any games. If you do play games, I probably will say won't last a day. Again, depends on the game you're playing, but to me, it will last me a day solid. I don't really have any games on this phone, so I literally just download a couple of games, specifically Tekken. I just show you guys how quick the app will load. To be honest, at the very beginning, it just downloads so much stuff. It takes a long time to download and load. But after that, so every time when you actually exit the game and come back again, the loading time is very acceptable for this old phone. It only has A8 chip, 1 gig of RAM, so holds up really well. If you're not in a rush to play those games, it's perfectly fine. Overall, in my opinion, iPhone 6 still has his position in 2018. Maybe changing battery is one of the things you might want to consider. So that actually does increase the performance a little bit if you've never done that before. And also the 11.2.6, the system, in my opinion, again, actually bringing out the potential of the iPhone 6, I would say. In terms of features wise, it doesn't have force touch, which I personally really like, and it does have Apple Pay if you use Apple Pay a lot. Yeah, so if you are still on the older iOS, I probably will recommend you update to the latest system. But you know, if you worry about it, you don't have to. I am thinking about getting a new phone, either the iPhone 8, 8 Plus, or the iPhone 10. If you guys have any suggestions, please leave the comment down below and then tell me which phone I should get and what's your favorite phone maybe and why I should get it. So yeah, so please give me any recommendation or suggestion and the reason why as well. Yeah guys, thank you very much for watching, and hopefully you guys did enjoy the video, and hopefully it helped you guys who has iPhone 6 and still on the old iOS. Maybe just help you to decide either you want to go with the newer system or just change the phone completely. Yeah, please like the video and share with others. If you didn't like the video, you know what to do. And also, please click on the subscribe button to keep up with my channel. If you subscribe, if you like, that's encouragement for me to do more videos like this in the future. Yeah, so see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.